In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy all indicators in TradingView. If you've ever built a chart you love and wished you could take the exact same indicators to another symbol or time frame without rebuilding from scratch, this is exactly what you need. We'll use TradingView's indicator templates, which let you save your current indicator setup and load it on any chart in seconds. First, make sure your chart already has all the indicators you want to copy. Add them just the way you like: styles, inputs, and visibility. Once everything looks right, go to the top left of your chart. You'll see an icon with 4 small squares next to the Indicators button. That's the Indicator Templates icon. Click it, then select Save Indicator Template. A small window will appear asking for a name. Give your template a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later, especially if you keep multiple layouts for different strategies. You'll also see an option to remember symbols and intervals. If you only want to copy the indicators themselves, without locking the template to a specific ticker or time frame, leave those unchecked. If you want the template to bring back the exact symbol and interval you're currently using, you can select those options. For most people, leaving them off keeps the template flexible across any chart. Now, click Save, and you're done. Your indicators, along with all their settings, have been captured in that template. To load this setup on any other chart, open the chart you want to use and go back to the same 4-square icon next to the Indicators button. Click it and choose the template you just saved. Instantly, TradingView will apply the entire indicator configuration to your current chart, preserving colors, inputs, and layout. It's a quick way to keep your workflow consistent across symbols and time frames. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Name templates clearly so you can tell them apart at a glance, especially if you use different indicator sets for day trading versus swing trading. And if you prefer to keep templates universal, remember to avoid saving symbols and intervals so you can reuse the setup anywhere. That's the whole process. Save your indicator template once, then load it on any chart with a single click. It's fast, reliable, and a huge time saver when you're managing multiple watch lists or testing new markets. And there you go. That's all.